We're excited today, we're just installing a new production line. With a conveyor belt system, so we're very excited about this. We can add more time, more quickness to our production. Very excited. This guy's just putting in the electricity and the lights and everything. Should be ready by tonight. We've already outgrown our previous production capabilities, and we've got a lot of stock going out. So we've installed the new production line, have nice lights in there, some speakers on and off, and this will increase our capacity so we can get more products out faster.